Imagine you're on a walk, driving, or cooking dinner, and you're completely immersed in a story unfolding in your ears. That's the magic of podcasting and audio storytelling, connecting with audiences through sound. In today's lecture, we'll learn the essentials of podcasting and crafting compelling audio stories. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the unique strengths of podcasting and audio storytelling, learn the key elements of creating engaging audio content, explore tools and techniques for high-quality podcast production, why podcasting and audio storytelling work. Audio storytelling thrives because it's intimate. The listener feels like the storyteller is speaking directly to them, creating a strong connection. Flexible, podcasts can be consumed anywhere, on commutes, during workouts, or at home. Engaging, with no visuals, listeners use their imagination to fill in the details, making the experience deeply personal. Example, a true crime podcast doesn't just describe events. It uses dramatic pauses, eerie music, and interviews to draw listeners into the mystery. Key elements of effective audio storytelling. Compelling script. A well-written script serves as the backbone of your podcast. Use conversational language. Write in short, clear sentences. Add moments of surprise or suspense to keep the audience hooked. Example, instead of saying, "There was a loud noise," you might say, "The explosion shattered the silence, sending shockwaves through the quiet town." High-quality sound. Invest in a good microphone for crisp audio. Minimize background noise by recording in a quiet environment. Use headphones to monitor sound levels while recording. Use of sound effects and music. Sound effects add depth and realism to your story. Music sets the tone, uplifting, suspenseful, or somber. Be mindful not to overpower the narration with loud effects. Strong narration. Your voice is the star of the show. Speak clearly and with emotion. Vary your tone and pace to emphasize key moments. Engaging format. Interview-based. Features conversations with guests. Narrative-driven. Tells a story, often in episodes. Educational. Explains concepts or talks about a specific topic. Tools and techniques for podcasting. Recording tools. Microphones. USB microphones, like Blue Yeti, or XLR microphones, like Shure SM7B. Audio interfaces. Devices like Focusrite Scarlett for XLR mics. Mobile recorders. Handy recorders like Zoom H4n for on-the-go recording. Editing software. Beginner-friendly. Audacity. Free. GarageBand. Mac. Advanced. Adobe Audition. Pro Tools. Hosting platforms. Once your podcast is ready, use platforms like Anchor, Buzzsprout, or Podbean to host and distribute it to Spotify, Apple Podcasts. Tips for successful podcasts. Know your audience, understand who you're speaking to, and tailor your content accordingly. Plan before recording. Have a script or outline ready, but leave room for natural conversation. Promote consistency. Release episodes on a regular schedule to build listener loyalty. Engage with listeners. Encourage feedback. Include listener questions, or invite audience members to share their stories.